fasten your seatbelts and hold on tight. The journey ahead is filled with speed, innovation, and a few bumps along the way.
Our journey begins in the late 19th century. Imagine a world without cars. Horses and carriages ruled the roads, but a revolution was brewing. Pioneers like Karl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler were hard at work, tinkering away in their workshops. In 1886, Benz unveiled the Benz patent motor wagon. This three-wheeled wonder was the world's first practical automobile. Daimler wasn't far behind. He founded Daimler Motor and Gesellschaft, a company that would later become Mercedes-Benz. These visionaries laid the foundation for a global industry.
In the early days of car manufacturing, each vehicle was meticulously handcrafted, making them a luxury item that only the wealthy could afford. These early cars were not just modes of transportation, they were symbols of status and craftsmanship. Enter Henry Ford, a visionary who dreamed of making cars affordable for the average person. Ford believed that everyone, not just the rich, should have the opportunity to own a car. His revolutionary ideas would soon change the automotive industry forever. His secret weapon? The assembly line. This innovative approach to manufacturing allowed for the mass production of cars, significantly reducing the time and cost involved in building each vehicle. Ford's Model T, introduced in 1908, was a game-changer. It was designed to be simple, reliable, and easy to produce. The Model T's straightforward design meant that it could be assembled quickly and efficiently, making it the perfect candidate for mass production. The assembly line revolutionized car manufacturing by streamlining the production process. Instead of one person building an entire car, workers specialized in specific tasks, which they repeated over and over. This specialization increased efficiency and productivity. By breaking down the process into smaller, repetitive tasks, Ford could build cars faster and cheaper. Each worker became an expert in their specific task, which not only sped up production, but also reduced errors and improved the overall quality of the cars. As a result, the price of the Model T dropped dramatically. What was once a luxury item became an affordable necessity for many families. The Model T's affordability and reliability made it incredibly popular, and it quickly became the car of choice for the masses. The age of the automobile had truly begun. Ford's innovations not only made cars accessible to millions, but also laid the foundation for the modern automotive industry. The success of the Model T marked the beginning of a new era, one where cars became an integral part of everyday life. The 1920s witnessed an explosion in car ownership. The automobile was no longer a luxury item, it was a necessity. New manufacturers like General Motors and Chrysler emerged, challenging Ford's dominance. Cars became more stylish, comfortable, and powerful. Closed bodies, electric starters, and radios made their way into even affordable models. The automotive industry was booming, creating jobs and driving economic growth. The open road beckoned.
Section 5. Innovation on wheels from safety to style. The automotive industry never stands still. Over the decades, countless innovations have shaped the cars we drive today. Safety features like seatbelts, airbags, and anti-lock brakes have saved countless lives. From aerodynamic designs to fuel-efficient engines, engineers constantly strive for improvement. The quest for speed and performance led to the development of iconic sports cars like the Porsche 911 and the Chevrolet Corvette.
Section 6. Icons on the road. Legends are born. Some cars transcend mere transportation. They become cultural icons, symbols of their time. The Volkswagen Beetle, with its quirky design and affordable price, captured the hearts of millions worldwide. The Ford Mustang, launched in 1964, ignited the pony car craze with its sporty styling and powerful engine. From rugged off-roaders like the Jeep Wrangler to luxurious sedans like the Rolls-Royce Phantom, these automotive legends continue to inspire and fascinate.
Section 7. Life in the fast lane. How cars changed the world. The impact of the automobile extends far beyond the open road. Cars have transformed our cities, our economies, and our very way of life. The rise of the automobile led to the development of highways, suburbs, and shopping malls. Cars created new industries, from gas stations and repair shops to motels and fast food restaurants. They gave people the freedom to live, work, and travel as they pleased, shrinking distances and connecting communities.
Section 8. The Green Revolution, Electric and Autonomous Vehicles. Today, the automotive industry stands at the cusp of another revolution. Concerns about climate change and the need for sustainable transportation have fueled the rise of electric vehicles, or EVs. Tesla, with its innovative EVs and self-driving technology, has become a global phenomenon. Traditional automakers are investing heavily in electric and hybrid vehicles, signaling a shift towards a greener future. Autonomous vehicles, while still in their early stages, promise to revolutionize transportation once again.
Section 9. The road ahead. What's next for the automotive industry? As we stand on the brink of a new era, the possibilities seem endless. The future of the automotive industry is a thrilling mystery. With each passing day, new technologies and innovations are being developed that could change the way we think about transportation forever. Will flying cars become a reality? Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past and we can soar above the cityscape with ease. Will self-driving vehicles dominate our roads? Autonomous cars promise to make our commutes safer and more efficient, freeing up time for us to focus on other activities. One thing is certain, the journey is far from over. The road ahead is filled with exciting twists and turns. As technology continues to advance at breakneck speed, we are witnessing a revolution in automotive engineering. We can expect even more exciting innovations in the years to come. From electric vehicles to hydrogen fuel cells, the quest for sustainable solutions is driving the industry forward. From sustainable solutions to mind-blowing performance, the automotive industry is pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The automotive industry will continue to shape our world in ways we can only imagine. Urban landscapes are being transformed with innovative designs that prioritize efficiency and sustainability. So buckle up and enjoy the ride. The future of transportation is bright and the journey ahead promises to be an exhilarating adventure.